Today I will be reviewing the Sensational Butter Lace Unit 10 wig. I picked it up from my local beauty supply store. This is what she looks like. It is Sensational Butter Lace and it is Butter Unit 10. I got her in the color Flamboyage Gold. She was $59.99 from my local beauty supply store. And you're supposed to be able to see the difference with this lace. It's supposed to be virtually undetectable. And on the stock card, they have a picture of what a regular wig will look like and what this wig will look like. It claims it has HD lace. We will see in just a few moments. This is how it was packaged. And right now I'm going to get into the specs of the wig. Comes packaged very nicely. Those are the highlights in the back. Also in a hairnet. And that's the color of the wig. The color is really pretty. The curls are really pretty. It seems like it's maybe 18-20 inches long. And this is the inside construction of the cap. It looks like your typical machine-made synthetic wig. It has lace. It looks like it is a T part or an I part where you only have lace around the hairline and then you only have the lace in the part area, meaning you will not be able to change the part. The part will be in the wig, and it looks like it is a right part wig, so you won't be able to move it to the left or the center. You might could shift the wig, but you won't be able to repart it yourself. Seems nice. This is the HD lace that they're claiming that it's having. Looks pretty good. Looks a little bit light, but it looks pretty good. And I am about to install the wig in just a few moments. So first things first, I've already went ahead and did the ball cap method. I took a wig cap that was close to my skin tone and I applied it with Ghost Bond. Now that I have it on, the only thing I did was use Ghost Bond to put it on, and I cut out my ears. It is a tad bit lighter than I am, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in with my bronzer that I typically use for my foundation. It is the Morphe Glamour Bronze in the shade Trailblazer. I'm gonna take a flat top foundation brush and I'm just gonna apply this to make it look more seamlessly. I tend to use a darker shade instead of using my foundation shade. It makes the lace look really good, especially if you're using a wig that has a light lace in it.
As you can see, I'm just applying it.
And the front of my wig cap. Not gonna do the back of it, only the front, because this is a synthetic wig and it only has a little bit of lace in the front area. I look weird. But that's basically the ball cap method that I'm using, as you can see. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some Ghost Bond and I'm gonna apply it about a centimeter or two in front of my hairline, because I'm getting ready to apply this wig so you can see how. So I just applied a thin layer of the Ghost Bond. Typically I would use a popsicle stick, but I'm not at the shop. I'm actually at home right now filming, so I'm going to take one of these sticks. I have them in my nail kit, so I'm going to use that to spread out the Ghost Bond glue. And all I'm going to do is just take the glue and spread it very thinly.
Just like that. And you want to apply a thin layer. That way it will apply evenly throughout your entire forehead.
I look so weird. I look like an egg or Mrs. Potato Head or something. Oh God, I cannot believe I am on camera filming just like this. So I am going to get ready to put the wig on, and what I like to do is I like to take these butterfly clips and I like to apply it to the front of the wig and just push it back like that. So that way when I do apply the wig, I can see exactly where I need to apply it and cut off the lace. It looks like it's pretty much dry or almost dry. You see, it's already starting to stick. So now I'm gonna take the synthetic wig and I am going to just apply it. Feels pretty good. It doesn't feel like too tight. It actually feels like it'll fit, like it'll be big head friendly. And as you can see where I applied the glue at, what I'm gonna do is take this and I'm gonna take it right and press. Ooh, it's looking good already. Then I'm just gonna press it in there. Gonna do the exact same thing to the other side. Pull it down and press it. Look good. It looks good so far. It claims that the hairline is pre-plucked. I'm not sure about that. It looks like they did a little bit of plucking, but it is a lot that can still be plucked to make it look more natural. So now what I'm going to do is just take some scissors and I'm going to cut down the middle, and I am going to take the eyebrow cutter that I had and I'm just going to go across the top, and I'm going to cut off the excess lace. Be careful not to cut any of the hair. That's why I placed the clips here, so I could place the clips back.
I'm going to continue to cut the lace off.
And as I get around the ear, I will take and cut with the scissors. And press the lace in to the glue. Same exact step. I'm going to take the clips, clip this back. Gonna go ahead and cut my ear out. The wig actually fits really comfortably on my head, surprisingly. Now I'm going to go press this in. And then I'm going to take the blow dryer and I'm going to blow dry it just a little bit. Make sure that it's adhering and it's sticking. And as you can see, the hairline is a little thick right here. So I would recommend that you go in and you pluck this.
So I will go in
With some tweezers. Looks pretty good though, but the hairline right here is very, very thick.
I'm going to just tweeze just a little bit.
So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut a little baby hairs out in the wig, and I'm going to lay those and I'm going to blend it. So I'm going to take a little comb and I'm going to cut out some baby hairs. I would like to put some baby hair right here. So I'm going to take the eyebrow cutter. I'm going to cut it. Also going to take some Got to Be. Put a little on the back of my hands. And I'm going to use this to do the baby hairs. So the ones that I just cut. Just like that. Gonna do the same exact thing throughout the entire hairline. And this is that area that I think that needs to be plucked some more. So I'm gonna pluck a little bit of the hair. Now that I have that done, I was going to do baby hairs all the way here, but I really don't feel like it because I don't think I'm going to wear this wig for that long. Only because it's synthetic and I think that it will probably get matted or tangled over the course of time. So now that I have that part done, I'm going to just take a bandana and I'm going to just tie the front down for a little while to make sure that everything meshes and blends. So I'm going to take a bandana. I just took the bandana off or the scarf off, and I do say that it looks pretty well, except for it is kind of light. So because the lace is light, I am going to go back in with that same bronzer that I had earlier from Morphe. And I'm going to take a Wet n Wild concealer brush, and I'm just going to apply it to the part in the hairline. So I'm going to put it in the part. And I'm also going to put it on the hairline. Oh yeah, it definitely needs brown bronzer or some kind of foundation or something of that sort to make it blend. And it looks, oh wow, I love it. The good thing about this wig, it isn't a full frontal or 13x4. It's only the part area and like here that has the lace. So you don't have to do a lot of blending. And I feel like this is a great beginner wig. If you're new at wigs, I would recommend this because it doesn't take much effort. And now it got a little frizzy from me trying to do the baby hairs and all of that. So what I'm going to do is take the Cream of Nature Argan Oil from Morocco, the Style and Shine Foaming Mousse. I'm not sure if you can see that, but I'm going to use that. I'm going to put a couple pumps in my hand, rub them together. There's also a little hump right here. You could take a hot tool such as a curling iron or a flat iron and you can bump it with that. But me, I'm just going to take a little bit of the mousse and I'm going to bump it down. Still using the same product. I must say that I like this wig. If you happen to see it at your beauty supply store, I would recommend you pick it up. I will try to link it down below to a couple of websites that you can get it from. $60 is I I don't know, $60 is a lot for this wig because I feel like it may not last long. But if you're looking for like the bundle look, or you're going to the beach or something like that and you need a quick style, I would recommend this wig for those purposes. I'm gonna turn around so you can see what the back looks like. That's what it looks like from the side. That's from the back. Hopefully no tracks aren't showing. Back to the front. I think I like this wig. She looks pretty good. I like the color blend. The color is cute. It's mainly like 1B, or the black towards the front, and then you have like your pops of gold, and the color is Flamboyage Gold. I do like it. The quality of the hair, that's the only reason why I would say I wouldn't pay $60 for it. I do feel like for $60, this wig, like because I did apply with the Ghost Bond, I am going to be sleeping in it for the next couple days. I probably will get maybe a week and a half wear out of this before I just don't want to deal with it anymore. But if you are putting it on and taking it off every night, you probably could get about a good 2-3 weeks out of it. Or if you're wearing, you know, once a week or so, you probably could get a lot of wear out of it. Me personally, on every day, no. I do feel that it will get tangled, but if you are looking for some bundles and you can't afford it, this is the wig for you. Parting looks really, really good. It actually looks like it's my hair. So let me know what you think about this Butta Lace Unit 10. Thanks for watching.